Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code CE-107879-2 on PS5. So, before we start, try restart your PS5. After that, if error code CE-107879-2 still occurs, try use or change DNS. To do that, go to Settings. Select Network. Select Settings. Select Set up Internet Connection. After that, go to your Connected option. Depending on how you connect, it can be the Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Next, press Option button on the controller. Select Advanced Settings. Go to DNS Settings, then press X button on the controller to select it. Select Manual. Now, you can use any DNS you want, such as Google DNS, Cloudflare DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. Select Primary DNS and type 1.1.1.1. Select Secondary DNS and type 1.0.0.1. Once done, select OK. Then try download your game and see if error code CE-107879-2 is gone. If not working, one more time, go back here. After that, select MTU settings, then select Manual. Select MTU. Now change it to 1473. Select Done. Select OK. Try download your game and see if error code CE-107879-2 is fixed. If the problem persists, I suggest you try on a different network, such as neighbor's Wi-Fi, mobile data, or another router, etc. In particular, if possible, use a different router, as the security features of some routers may prevent you from downloading games from the PS Store. And then see if that helps. Method 2. Update system software. The PS5 system software update is important because it helps to fix bugs and improve the performance of your PS5. So, if the game can't download is caused by an incompatibility issue or even system file corruption, updating the PS5 system software can resolve that. Outdated versions can be problematic, and it's wise to resolve the issue sooner rather than later. Method 3. Restore licenses. To do this, go to Settings. Select Users and Accounts. Go to Other. Select Restore Licenses. Restoring your licenses may take several seconds to minutes, depending on the number of licenses you have in your internet connection. Method 4. Remove external drive. If you are not using an external drive, please skip this method. Just unplug external drive, then download the games affected directly to the PS5. Once that's done, plug the external back into PS5 and will come up with an option of which version to delete. You can choose external, then transfer the games over. Then everything should work fine. Method 5. Clear cache and rebuild database. To do this, you have first to turn off your console by holding the power button for 3 seconds. The power indicator will blink for a few moments before turning off. Once the console is off, press and hold the power button again. Release it after you hear the second beep. One beep will sound when you first press, and another 7 seconds later. Connect the controller with the USB cable. Now press the PS button on the controller. On the Safe Mode screen, select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Next, select Clear System Software Cache first. After that, if you still can't download the game, then go back here and select Rebuild Database. Finally, try Factory Reset PS5. This is a last resort when PS5 couldn't download the game, using any of the methods above. That's it guys, hope this is useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.